Hey, thanks for meeting us off the train again. This time we're in Cupar, an ancient market town right in the centre of Fife in Scotland. We're going to take a look around the town and I'll point things out as we go along. This railway station was built in 1847 by the Edinburgh and Northern Railway and is one of the finest preserved station buildings from that time. It welcomes you to this lovely town and houses the Cupar Museum, which sadly is closed today. It also has the cheapest station parking I've ever seen, just £4 a week. What a bargain. Greeting us as we leave is a statue to David Crichton, who campaigned for the bridge over the railway to be built. He stands proudly beside the bridge, which ferries traffic across to this day. Nearby, this derelict building was built in 1813 as a prison, but turned out to be impractical. It then changed hands, often being used by the local militia and then a seed merchant, William Watt, before a brief spell as a nightclub and restaurant before finally being abandoned in 2019. No meals here today. Across the road is the War Memorial. Built in 1922 and extended after World War II, the striking angel guards the names of those from Cupar who fell in battle. Behind is the beautiful Haugh Park, a classic town park with mature trees and the River Eden flowing along one side. The brightly decorated bandstand was added to the park in 1924. Cupar has always been a market town, and as we head up St Catherine Street we pass the Corn Exchange. Built in 1862, it boasts a spire 136 feet high. Behind you'll find the old Castle Hill school buildings. Repurposed today, they still speak of their past. Here we are at Crossgate, the heart of the town. You'll find the Mercat Cross here with its unicorn statue on top. It has stood at this spot since 1897, signifying the rich trading past of this town. You can still browse busy market stalls here every summer Saturday. And historical ghost signs on the nearby buildings hint at businesses now long gone that have traded here through the ages. Close by is the famous Duncan Institute with its impressive tower, built in 1870 and of Scottish baronial style and built to provide a cultural centre for the town. It continues today as the library. Just off the main street you'll find this hidden building. Built in 1814 in a Georgian style, the first occupant was Thomas Horsburgh, Sheriff Clerk of the County of Fife. Today only the facade remains, yet still an impressive sight. Further along, and we pass grand houses in a more residential part of Cupar. Here we find Cupar Mills, an area that, up until 1989, was bustling with working mills creating oatmeal. The grand dwellings of Cupar are matched by grand public buildings too, such as the Cupar Old Parish Church. The tower is all that remains of the original building from way back in 1415. In 1620 the spire was added. Much of the rest was added in 1785, making this one of the oldest buildings around. Close by, the Old Parish Centre was built as a Sunday school hall back in 1877, and today, fully modernised, it is a focus for local community groups. And also nearby, St Columba's Catholic Church is a much more modern building, being constructed in 1964 in a style mirroring the Liverpool Cathedral, but on a much smaller scale. There are more significant churches in Cupar to see, including this imposing structure on the main street. Bonnygate Church was built in 1866 in a Gothic style, and if you look up the tower you'll see these fantastic dragons on each corner. Now the Cupar Baptist Church. If this isn't your style of worship, then you can just go next door to the equally impressive St John's and Dairsie Church. First opened in 1878, its symmetry is striking, as is its 150-foot spire, which I didn't quite get into some of my shots. Set back from the main street, its gardens are a great place to chill out for a while. Further up the road is the striking St Michael's Church. Built in 1837, services took place here until 1951. It was then used as a gymnasium by the Belbaxter High School for a while, but today has been fully renovated into modern apartments. Also on Bonnygate Road you can find the Freemasons Hall, built in 1811, and below, one of the oldest shops in the town, Scott's Ladieswear. Established in 1907, it's still family owned to this day. Duffus Park is the sporting focal point of the town. Home to the rugby club, the playing fields play host to many other sports. Some other noteworthy buildings in the town include this small toll house built in 1825 and the YMCA building built in 1906. Visiting the ancient market town of Cupar really gives you a sense of walking back through Scotland's rich history. Thanks for coming around with us, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Another wonderful Scottish town we visited was Pitlochry, and you can come visit with us by clicking the link on screen now. Please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on our next destination. See ya!